Flavor and consistency are both important factors when working with craft beer. State Cleaning Solutions is here to keep your brewery clean and operating efficiently, giving you more time to focus on crafting crisp, refreshing beer. You worked too hard to perfect a complex craft beer that took hours of research and taste tests, so why let the brewery cleaning process hinder your success? With State Cleaning Solutions as your clear results partner, you have access to a comprehensive program that ensures production of high-quality beer using State's highly developed, best-in-class products. With local representatives who understand your brewery's specific needs, State offers customized solutions tailored to your facility's needs, as well as thorough and personalized on-site training. State's brewery program includes an automated or manual sanitation program, decreased contamination to ensure consistent product flavor, and consistent, effective, and reliable products. State also performs monthly maintenance to ensure that your equipment is operational and offers 24/7 emergency support, averaging a 20-minute emergency phone service response time. With locally based technicians that are on call, State will have you covered, day or night. Raise a glass to simple and easy brewery cleaning and let State Cleaning Solutions be your brewery clear results partner.